do. So very sorry, friend, you got no box to put me in. And a tiger just can't go and change his stripes. I fooled you once, I fooled you twice, and I'ma do it again. Can't keep a fox out of chicken pen. I'm a man who needs to go my own way, baby. So don't you go and try to change me, yeah. Tell me you can't, and you know I will. Tell me don't go and I keep moving. Baby, tell me you can't, and you know I will. If you can tell me to stop, then I'll keep grooving.